Felt awesome. I normally sit at a desk 5 days a week, 8 hours a day, so good to be outside on a sunny Melbourne day.
We had about 15 people come down from Coles Group today, working from across functions in the business. You're stuck in an office a lot of the time on a weekly basis, and to come out and go for a walk and get a little bit of an education around nature and bird boxes and those types of things when you're walking around a park that only sort of 10 or 20 years ago was basically just dirt and sand, and now it's into a wonderful sanctuary of, with a lake and animals and birds making noises all the time. So it's been a great experience for the team.
Just that reminder that you can just do things within your own space. Like I've got a little balcony at home that currently has no plants. So it's that reminder that you don't need to do anything really huge, and I can just take home that nature block now, and I've already got a ready-made garden to attract some birds and pollinators to the area.
It was great just to walk around the local area, having used to work here. Didn't even know this existed, this spot within Melbourne of the urban environment. So it was great to understand that. Then get into the garden and get our hands dirty. It was great to see what a little piece of work to do can make a big difference in our environment. It's such a great activity. There's so many different volunteering activities that we get to do at work, but this is one of the best ones that I've done over my time. Just something different, and something that you can then translate into home and what you can do at home in your home environment.